Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. So the first thing you do is you take 2 1/4 cup of flour, put it in the bowl to be sifted, along with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you sift that into and then you set that bowl with the dry ingredients aside. Next, you take 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 sticks of butter or margarine, and 2 eggs. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once all these ingredients are mixed together, you add in the other stuff that you put in the other bowl. And then you mix all of this together. Once these are mixed well together and are creamy, you add the bag of chocolate chips. Once you're all done mixing it, then you take a cookie scooper and you put them on a tray with a cooking sheet over it. Then you place them in the oven for 10 minutes.